Question number 17. A negatively charged particle in a uniform gravitational field is positioned midway between two charged conducting plates. Between two charged conducting plates, you put a negative charge over here. Okay, so no, sorry, it is being suspended, it is being not moving anyway. Okay, the potential difference between the plates is adjusted until the particle is held at rest relative to the plates, which means what? It is now held constant. How can you hold constant? Gravity is acting here. What are the forces acting on it? If this is a negative charge, positive plate will, there are lots of positive charges here, right? What will it do? It will try to attract it like this. Okay, let me write the force here is F electric. And what is the force acting downward here? Which is nothing but your mg over here. Now, if these two balances, it is stationary. Fe should be equal to mg. Now, what change will cause the plate to accelerate downwards relative to the plate? Which means what? So, this force should be dominant as compared to this. This force should be more as compared to this. When will this happen? When the charges on this plate reduces, decreasing the charge on the particle. Will it happen if I reduce the charge on the particle? If I reduce the charge on the particle, will it happen? Definitely it happen, because I am not going to change the potential here. So definitely it is going to happen. So thus you can say A is the right option. Luckily we got this one. Decreasing the separation of the plates, no. Okay, we are not going to change the charge. So therefore this also will not happen, have any effect on it, because the force remains the same. Increasing the length of the plate, no. Okay, so because you are not going to change the potential difference of the EMF, so therefore this is also not the right option. Okay, because if you change the EMF, the number or amount of charges present on the plate will also change. Okay, so this is not going to change. Increasing the potential difference between the plates. If I increase the potential difference, what will happen? The equal number of positive charges will be deposited as compared to the equal number of negative charges, right? So in that case, what happens? When the negative charge tries to come upwards over here, of course, there will be a more positive charge over here. Okay, there will also be a negative charge over here. Negative charge will also try to repel, positive charge will try to attract. Even this could not be a right option. Okay, thus A is the right option. Okay, let us move on to the next one.